Hey guys, welcome back to Skytonics Review. So we're giving an update. So on the camera it looks like it's barely spinning, but it's actually spinning so fast that the camera just picks it up slowly. Watch this. So you guys will be able to see how fast it really goes. Is that not cool? So I reviewed this a long time ago, and this is, you can put it in your car or wherever, but you put different scents down under in here, and then this spins, and it pretty much flows the scent into your room, into your vehicle, or wherever you have it. So we have it in our bathroom, so pretty much it works on solar. So when the sun hits the panels, which are right under the blades here, it then spins the blade. And then it causes the aroma to come out from the cracks in here. So I put different essential oils like peppermint in here, so it makes our bathroom smell good. So keep in mind, you're going to want to place this somewhere that the sun hits, and it's pretty awesome. But yeah, like I said, and as I showed you, it's spinning that fast, which is really cool. So I'm very happy with this. It's been working great, and I love it.